Hey everyone, Jack Boyles with Steam Engines USA, and today we got something new we're going to share with you. Alright, so here we have a Empire, and yes, this is the twin boiler. So just got this in, and it's looking pretty good. So we'll do a little cleanup work on it, get it looking nice, shined up. There's a on here you can have a pop-up valve mounted. It looks like it's got a bolt in it right now. So it's electric heater. It's got the two twin boilers on it. This is a very rare Empire engine. There are some of these out there, but you just don't see them that often anymore. So here's a first look at it. So I'll come back. My battery's running a little low. I need to charge it up. So we'll take a look at it and a little more in depth in a future video. So there you have it. From High Point, North Carolina, Steam Engines USA.